Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the outer door panel on your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the top grill. Pull the grill down from the top to detach. Disconnect the door wire connector. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry out the access plug. Detach the door assembly mounting pins from the holes in the hinges to remove the assembly and set it on a sturdy surface. Next, pry out the plugs covering the 4 mounting screws, holding the inner and outer door panels together. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws. Now use a putty knife to help separate the outer door assembly from the inner panel. Remove the window insert. Unthread all of the screws securing the display board cover. Lift up the cover and detach the wires from the clips on the cover. Use the putty knife to help pry off the upper trim. You can now release the door wire retainer to fully detach the trim. Detach the handle screw covers. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screws to release the door handle. Next, unthread the screws securing the left side trim. Pull the trim free. Now unthread the screws securing the upper bracket. Depress the tabs to release the bracket. Slide the outer door glass to the left to remove. Next, unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the display board. Disconnect the harness connector. Release the ribbon from the connector. Now unhook the door wires from the retaining clips on the old outer door panel. You're now ready to prepare the new outer door panel for installation. Secure the door wires under the retaining clips. Reinstall the display board by first connecting the ribbon to the connector. Connect the harness connector. Position the display board and thread the mounting screws. Align the door glass in the outer door panel. Realign the upper bracket and snap it into place. Rethread the screw. Replace the left side trim and secure it with the screws. Before you reinstall the handle, make sure the two insulators are in place. Then align the handle and fully thread the mounting screws. Snap the screw covers into place. Feed the door wire through the upper trim, then snap the retainer into place. Align the top of the trim first, then snap it into position. Secure the wires in the retaining clips on the display board cover. Position the cover, then rethread all of the screws. Reposition the window insert. Realign the inner door panel and snap the two panels together. Replace the 4 mounting screws. Press the plugs into place. Now align the door assembly on the hinges so the mounting pins insert into the holes in the hinges. With the door in place, snap the access plug in. Connect the door wire connector. Before you reinstall the top grille, make sure the 2 support clips are in place. Now align the grille tabs with the slots in the frame and snap the grille into position. Rethread the 3 screws. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make it easier to rethread the screw on the right. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.